Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel DIY. Today I'm going to upgrade the headlight bulbs on this 2016 Ford Escape. I'm going to upgrade the headlight bulbs with an LED light, both for the low beam and high beam, with Oxilam LED light. So Oxilam sent me this LED bulb, both for the low beam and high beam, to test it. So I'm going to show you the process, how I'm going to install it on the car. Like I'll show you like step by step how I'm going to do it, and then I will go and drive it at night to show you the before and after. I already like take the before last night with the halogen one, and now I'm going to install the LED and make a review of it. So let's get to it. This is Caramel. He's going to watch me installing the bulb. Say hi. Oxilam sent me 2 boxes of LED. One is H8, H9, H11, H16 compatible, and this one is 9005 HB3. I think this one is for the high beam, this one is for the low beam. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So we have a pair of gloves, a manual, and we have the bulb inside. So to remove the bulb from the car and to put it back, I'm going to wear the glove just to prevent getting grease on it. First I'm going to pop up the hood. So open the door. The hood latch is just at the bottom. If you see, this is a headlight switch. The hood latch is just right here, so we just need to hold and pull towards you. Next you will see another latch. It's on the passenger side, like you will see a yellow latch here. So you have to pull it towards the driver's side, towards like this. Pull it like this and lift up the hood. Once you lift up the hood, you put the support, and now we can go ahead and remove the headlight bulbs. On the driver's side, on this side, this is a high beam and this is a low beam. To access the bulb, you need to remove this rubber cover. So if you pull on this rubber right here, we have 2, so you can pull at the bottom or at the top. Just pull it like this. So after removing the cover, then you'll have access to the bulb. So you see like the bulb is right here. So to remove it, you just need to twist it. Put your hand right here and twist it counterclockwise and remove it. Make sure you don't touch the bulb. So I'm going to wear a glove that is provided in the box. So to disconnect the bulb, you see there is a tab here. You need to press on it and pull the connector out. Pressed and pulled. Just like that, the bulb will come out. So before putting the low beam bulb, I'm going to check it. So on this side, like the tabs looks the same, and lengthwise also, if you compare it side by side, you will see they are the same length, and inside also it's 2 pin. That should fit, I guess. Let's try put the low beam, and I'll show you, then I'll continue the process. For the high beam, I will open this box and put the high beam. I'm guessing it's the same thing inside. So to put the bulb back, so you just need to take the wiring connector and just place it. I'm not sure if I don't think there is any polarity on it, because it will go only one way. The clips that you press before to remove it will only click here on this tab. So just put it like that and push it until you hear it click, and put it in the reverse order. Just take it. So you have to feel it if it's inside or not, and then twist it clockwise, it will be in. Before putting the cover back, I'm going to turn on the headlight to see if it's on or not. So this is a new bulb, very bright white. and on this side I still have the old halogen one, so you can see the difference. Now I'm going to install the high beam on the driver side. So same thing, just pull on this rubber cover just like that, it will come out. The high beam also you have to twist it counterclockwise and pull it out. So just twist that, and it will come out. So this one is a 9005 bulb, and pull on this tab here and pull back at the same time. We compare it, same length, and the tab looks the same. Put it back in the reverse order. Here it click. Feel it get inside, then twist it clockwise. This is how you remove and swap the bulb. You'll see it should be perpendicular even for the low beam. This should be perpendicular, and here also. Now I'm going to put back the cover on the low beam and high beam. I'll start by the low beam here. Make sure the rubber is well seated all the way so that water don't get inside. So now I'm done with the driver side. I'm going to do the passenger side. On the passenger side also it's the same thing, and on this side it's much more easier. We have more room to work with. Same thing as the driver side. We have the rubber cover that we have to remove for the, this is the low beam, this is the high beam. Let's do it. So I'll start with the high beam. Boom. And next the low beam. Twist counterclockwise and pull it out just like that. Same thing, pull on the clips, the bulb will come out. Here it click. Twist. Should be perpendicular. You know that it's properly seated now. Next, the low beam, same thing, twist counterclockwise, pull it out, press and pull, put the new one in, hit click, and twist, put back the rubber cover. And now the passenger side also is done. So I just finished the driver side and passenger side. I'm going to switch on the headlight and see. So I will do the low beam and high beam. So guys, this is how we change the bulbs on the 2016 FordEscape. So now I'm going for a test drive and I'll show you the before and after. So if you want to buy the bulb, I'll put the link in the description below. It's from Oxilam. If you click on my link, of course, I'll be getting some commission, and this is just a support for me. You don't need to pay me anything. And also if you want to support me just by subscribing, that's fine too. And please like, subscribe and share the video. And if someone needs to change the bulb, this is the easiest way to do it on a FordEscape. Just 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side, and you're done. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the top beam is a halogen bulb and the bottom one is a Oxilam LED bulb. Right now I'm driving through a residential area with the street lights on, and even here you can already notice the difference. The LEDs give a cleaner, brighter output. Inside my dreams, so baby,
know that you are the only one. I wanna see your body.
Now I'm turning on a main street, still with street lighting, and the visibility is noticeably better with the Oxilam LEDs.
So can we keep the lights on? I wanna see you. This world can be an ugly place.
And here we go, turning into a completely dark road. This is where you really see the difference between the halogen headlight and the LED. The Oxilam LED bulb throws a much brighter light, illuminates the road way better, and overall gives a cleaner visibility at night. So if you're looking to upgrade your lighting, these LEDs definitely make a huge difference. So guys, as you have seen the difference, halogen one and the Oxilam LED, you just made your conclusion which one was better. Also, if you want to buy it, I'll drop down the link and I'll drop a coupon code as well. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share it. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Thank you.
We keep the lights on. I wanna see